up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be working on my car. I have a 2015 Chevy Cruze LT, and a couple days ago my check engine light came on and my car started running rough. It has like a rough idle when the car is just sitting. So I look at the engine, I'm looking around, and then I hear a loud whistling noise. And then I find out that this right here is sucking in air into the engine. And it's not supposed to be doing that. So I did some research. I found out that this whole valve cover needs to come off. Well, it needs to be replaced. So I gotta do that today, and hopefully that'll fix my problem. But let me show you what it sounds like. I don't know if y'all can hear that. My exhaust is a little loud, but yeah, that's sucking in air. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, put the new one on, and see if that fixes the problem. I don't know if you need to unplug the battery, but I'm gonna do it. Sit that over there. So I gotta unplug this harness if I can get it off. I think it's coming. Dang it. Alright, there we go. There's your coil package. Okay, now I just gotta take these off and then put the new one on. I should be good. Go ahead and clean this oil up. Alright, so we got the new part. About to open this up. Got everything back in place, everything's tight. I just gotta hook the battery back up. I'm gonna start it up and hopefully everything's fixed. All right, here we go. Alright, check engine light is off. I thought it came back on. Woo! No more idle. I think it's fixed. Alright, I'm gonna let it run for a second. Then I'm gonna take it for a drive and see how it runs. And I'm 308 nigga, no starting. Ooh, might wanna pick up your Vans today. Catch this net when he just like broken. No kick code. Alright, everything seems good so far. It's driving like normal again now, so I'm gonna get on the interstate in a second, then I'm really gonna see. But everything seems alright. Everything seems good. Check engine light didn't come on. The car's not shaking like it was. So yeah, everything seems good. So this part to replace it, I got this off Amazon. It was $62.99, I think. But I'll link that below if y'all have a Cruze and y'all are having the same problem. You can get that part. It's really easy to fix yourself. You don't have to take it to a shop and they're gonna charge you like $200-300 to fix it when you can fix it yourself, and it's real easy to fix. So yeah, so that's all I got for y'all today. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped anyone that's having this problem. Hope that helped y'all. But yeah, see y'all in the next video.